So look at the ruins here.
So did every king get to pick his own cartoon?
Yes, everyone must have a place to go.
And he gets to pick what hieroglyphics he uses. It's cool how you can see the moon.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
And later on, I have a surprise for you
Okay.
to show you the real difference in between the two obelisks.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Between what two of them?
These two
Like
right here.
these two, like show you like the difference in size.
Oh.
Because this one is about 90 feet,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
this is 60 feet
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
high.
Oh, look, painted over there. Painted.
We can reserve that for tomorrow. It looks like a temple. You have to see the temple.
Many animals were gods and goddesses, and the lioness was a goddess. What is her name? Sekhmet.
Sekhmet.
Sekhmet, yes, or Sekhmet.
Sekhmet.
There you go.
Look at the lioness face, like a round of a lioness face.
This one?
One man body,
Or
yes.
this one?
Both.
Both
Same,
lions.
but this is like in little bit better condition. So this one is Sekhmet, the goddess of power and war in the ancient Egyptian world.
She's like, what's the goddess in Greeks? It's the war goddess. I don't remember her name.
Hera, Hera,
Aphrodite's love. Who's the?
Hera. I
Hera,
think.
yeah.
Hera.
Wife of Zeus.
Yes.
Watch the step, dude. Watch
Yep.
the step.
Better steps here.